I've covered this many times, but I want to put it across to you in a slightly different way that I hope you understand better. It's about how you need to charge more if you do more. If you've got a house and you need to replace the windows, you might contact someone to replace the window frames or the glass. And they may give you an online quote or a quote over a phone, or they've got it on their website. But what if they need to come out and measure up, for instance? Now, if they need to come out, a lot of them will do that for absolutely free. And that's a bit like web designers. Someone wants a quote or proposal, you go and create it, or you might even do the discovery call for free as well. But there are some businesses who may be popular or busy, or people know they can rely upon them, and they now need to travel out to you. There may be a charge for that. It's like when a plumber comes to fix your plumbing, there's like a call out charge for that. Now, I know that's not the same as web designers because your plumber's dealing with shit. And I'm not saying web designers are shit or anything like that. But as a web designer or a window company, there may be a charge for that because they're having to come out and measure. So maybe from your point of view, when you're doing discovery calls, you can either do them for free or you can charge for them. Because during that discovery call, you're going to problem solve, give them ideas, what plugins to use, maybe even start scoping out their colors and their branding for them. You're literally project managing before you've even got the job. So you should charge because you're now doing more for them. Now, going back to the window example, they've come and measured up and they've realized that the custom windows that they normally stock and sell ain't gonna do the job. And that's a bit like an off-the-shelf solution, like a template or a bog standard 4 or 5 page website, which is gonna use the standard widgets. Job done. You know what you're gonna reel off in terms of plugins and settings and all of that. But if you've got a custom window, and this could be a custom specialist website, and they now need to go and get it specially manufactured and special glass fitted, and they're going to need, people to come in and install this particular special type of a weird shaped window, whatever, you're going to have to pay more. You can't say to the window supplier that you charge $2,000 for every window. Why is mine 10,000? They may say, well, it's because of all of this extra stuff we got to cover off. And if you want it, you got to pay for it. The same goes with web design. You might have a 5 page website and and you charge, say, $5,000 or $500. And then another customer wants the same kind of 5 page website. But this time, they need you to start thinking about special preloaders and special JavaScript-y animations. And there may be something they want to have with their form where when you click a button, it goes here and goes there and it fires things off. And you may know what to do, but you should still charge more. You got to get this into your head. Just because you know what to do doesn't mean you just bundle it in. 5 page website, standard, no animation, no funky stuff going on with it, right? Bog standard, $2,000. Another 5 page website, and now you've got to add some moving components to it. You know what to do. You've got a library of code. You know what to use. You've done it before. You don't charge the same because even though you know what to do, you're doing more. You increase the charge. But what if now you've got another 5 page website and you don't know what to do? So you've got to investigate, research, go to forums, go to forums, play around with ChatGPT, do a bit of AI. There's a lot of risk you have to manage because can you actually deliver or are you going to compromise? And for that, you need to charge more. The mistake a lot of people make is 5 page website and now we need to add in code. Yeah, I know what the code is and they charge the same. And now you got to do an investigation because you promised the client you will make the form button redirect and open up something else, but you're not too sure. And you spend a day or two messing around with it, but you're still charging the same price. I see so many people posting in forums going, I've spent 3 weeks on this. And initially, my question back to them is this for you or a client? And it's most likely, most of the time, always for a client. And then I go and say, are they paying you extra for this? Well, no, I told them I would do it and it's proving to be more difficult. You're doing more. You need to charge more. I'll say it again. You're doing more. You need to charge more.